Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing the Investment Castle EA. Looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that this expert advisor was developed by Ahmed Al-Eldin Abdurrahman Ahmed El-Herzawi and is currently priced at 30 US dollars. The version listed here is 4.7 with the most recent update released on February 15th, 2022. Starting with the product overview, the developer describes Investment Castle as a trend-based trading system that comes with built-in investment castle and psychological key levels indicators. All right. Now, the goal of the EA is to automate trade analysis and decision making by identifying important market levels and incorporating additional trading filters into the process. Right. So as I continue through the marketplace page, one of the main features highlighted is the automatic identification of support and resistance key levels. According to the description, the EA automatically detects these areas without requiring manual chart analysis. For traders, this can be useful because support and resistance zones are often important reference points when evaluating potential market direction. Another feature mentioned is the integration of a volatility index for distance measurement. The developer states that this helps automate distance calculations, which may contribute to trade management and risk control decisions within the system. The EA also includes a stop loss and recovery approach. The product description specifically notes that it does not use martingale or grid techniques. Instead, the developer explains that the system relies on stop loss management combined with a recovery strategy designed to manage losing positions differently from traditional martingale style systems. As I move further down the feature list, the EA also includes a reversed martingale function. According to the description, this increases trade size after winning trades and decreases trade size after losing trades. The idea behind this approach is to adjust position sizing based on previous outcomes rather than continuously increasing exposure during losing streaks. Now, there are also several operational controls available. Traders can choose specific market sessions during which the EA is allowed to trade, automatically disable trading before Fridays, and optionally enable or disable trading around major news events. These controls provide additional flexibility and allow traders to adapt the EA's activity schedule to their preferences. Okay, so now moving into the historical backtesting section, it is important to evaluate the historical testing performance while keeping expectations realistic, right? So the marketplace information provided does not specify the exact testing method used, such as every tick or open prices only. So I won't make any assumptions there. But I can see here from the provided information, we can see that the EA seems to have generated significant profit. This image is not clear enough. Okay, and here I can see initial deposit $1,000, total net profit was over $10,000, and the total trades taken were, I think, 839, out of which about, I think, 620 something were profitable, giving us a 74% win rate, right? But let's just further head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how this EA performed in 2026. We are testing the Investment Castle EA on Euro USD on the H1 time frame, and we are testing from the beginning of this year till date. As for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server. We are using the every tick modeling as well for a level of accuracy. And looking at the back-tested results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit made was 1,235.66, and the total trades taken were 369, out of which 251 were profitable, giving us a 68.02% win rate. All right, and then I can also see that the short trades taken were 11. The long trades taken were 358. So most of the trades were buy trades. And the average risk to reward ratio we are having here is not very good enough, because see, the largest profit is 207, largest loss is 185.73, but the average profit is 13.43, while the average loss is 18.11. So that means that the average loss is bigger than the average profit, meaning that the average risk to reward ratio is not good, right? It's quite bad. But then, when reviewing the completed chart history and trade activity, the behavior should be analyzed in the context of the trend-based methodology described by the developer. So based on the available information, the EA combines trend analysis with support and resistance identification, volatility measurements, and session-based controls to determine when trade activity is allowed. Now, I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Additional testing can help reveal how various settings, market environments, and risk levels influence overall performance. Okay, so currently we can see how the EA seems to be executing its trades, right, and closing trades. There seem to be multiple trades, being executed at different intervals, right? I can see buy trade here, another one here, another buy trade, and another buy trade, right? And I can also see that the lot sizes are different. So this seems to me like a sort of grid or martingale related kind of approach. And at these different levels, the buy trades were executed, and then the basket close occurred around here, right? So this is one of the things I'm observing here, and we can see another instance here, buy trades or different locations, and then a basket close, right, and so on and so forth. I'm still going to recommend that you run this, EA on over a longer period of time if you are really interested in it. And as we look at the historical backtest results, remember that historical analysis is only a record of past performance. Okay, actual results can vary depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage optimization choices, and future market conditions. Overall, the Investment Castle EA presents itself as a trend-focused automated trading system that combines support and resistance analysis, volatility-based measurements, session controls, and news-related trading filters. As with any automated strategy, I would recommend thorough testing and optimization on a demo account before considering live trading. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.